So if you've been using your saw blade for a while and it seems like it's getting dull, it might not actually be dull. It might just be dirty. So what we're gonna do today is show you how we clean all of our blades on Spenceley Design Co.
So if you've been cutting a lot of sappy wood like pine and start to notice some buildup on your table saw blades like this, it's time to clean them. Simple Green is a professional grade concentrated cleaner and degreaser. The green version is not recommended to be used on metal, but the purple version is safe on car engines, machinery, and saw blades. On the side of the bottle, you'll find dilution recommendations for heavy, medium, and light applications. In a large bucket, we added 5 cups of water along with 1 cup of Simple Green to make the perfectly diluted solution. And after giving it a mix, we are ready to soak our saw blades. While we let the blades soak for about 5 or 10 minutes, we want to remind you to hit that like button below and let us know how this cleaning method worked for you in the comments below. After soaking, we took the blade out and set it on a bucket lid to scrub all the grime off with a firm bristle dish brush. If you haven't already, make sure to follow us over on Instagram at Spenceley Design Co. That's where we post all the behind the scenes footage of all the projects we were working on, and you can easily get a hold of us there as it's our social media of choice. After all the blades were scrubbed clean, we filled a bucket up with clean water and thoroughly rinsed all of the degreaser off. We then grabbed some paper towels and dried off all the blades to make sure no water was left that would be causing rust. And that's it. You can see how clean the blade looks now, and I can tell you that it cuts way better.
Thanks so much for checking out this video.